people, it's Magic Cat 66708 here, and to tell you this, I'm finally back. I'm still coughing, and I do have the sniff still, but it's not that bad anymore. So I'm like happy and stuff. Now, I'm joined by Savannah0531, and
hi guys.
Yeah, she just said hi. She's on Skype with me because we finally got to get.
Hello everyone. It's Savannah.
We finally got Skype.
I'm City Bull.
I'm definitely giving a shout out to Savannah0531, and she's actually here to hear it. And I'm also giving a shout out to Magic Bunny 73. She was a member, but then she got out from being a member, and I think she still is got all her member animals. Yeah, she still got all her member animals. So she still will be doing that. But basically, today has been really strange for me. I've literally gone to a horse show to watch a friend do horse jumping, and the horse just was being stupid.
I can't relate to any of this, so I'm not going to say anything.
But yeah, so basically thank you guys. Well, you didn't really all support me, but I just want to at least say thanks for whoever did
for saying it in your mind.
Which was basically only Savannah, but that doesn't matter.
You all thought it. You can't deny it. You're not showing your softer side. It's beautiful.
But yeah,
it's a beautiful inside that you should express.
But yeah,
what I want to do.
I will now, from now on, I will start doing lots of videos, but I won't be doing it like what Savannah does, man. She's like, oh, let's do this one. Okay, that's 7 hours later. Well, 7 hours ago. And then, okay, I'll do another one that's 23 minutes ago, and then 2 minutes ago.
I'm sorry, I don't edit the videos and I get bored, so I have a lot of time on my hands.
Well, of
I'm
course,
serious,
guys.
I have a lot of time.
Okay, I was not meaning to push my hamster. Oh, wow. Also, this is really strange. These are now rare, fluffy fox head, hat thingies. Basically, it's the thing I'm wearing.
Yeah, those are from the... I have one too. Those are from the Leap Year Party.
But it's how...
You know what, I'm going to wear my fox hat bunny.
How about we play... Okay, we definitely gotta play a game. Let's play Jim and Derby.
Well, my game requests are off, so I'll do, which one do you want me to do? Let's do tic-tac-toe. Let's do that.
Tic-tac-toe? Okay. Sure. No, you said change your rabbit. Okay.
I just want to say I'm good tic-tac-toe. Oh, yeah, I get it first.
Okay, tell you this. I'm not actually very good at tic-tac-toe. I'm really bad at it.
I'm wonderful at tic-tac-toe. What's wrong with me? Oh, you're so...
Me!
There's no possibly way I could win this, so, yeah. This is impossible.
we got 10 though. Okay, now it's my turn to pick. Oops. Let me see.
Okay, let me turn game requests on. Letter requests off. Game invites on. Okay. I don't want random people buddying me. I'm horrible at this game.
You are?
Yeah, I'm not good at this game. I always get gutter. And I'm not good at it in real life either.
Oh my gosh, you're kidding me, right? Wow. I can never do that, man. I can never get that.
I don't. It keeps blinking in my face. You don't need to rub it in. I'm just gonna do this face.
It's just really weird.
Oh.
Here you go.
Oh, okay, I get it now.
It's quite easy. I'm just smartly.
They see me trolling. They hating. Oh yeah, a famous person gave me an honor today. I was happy, and she actually buddied me, so I was happy.
A famous person, what?
Well, she's not really famous, but she has like 1,000
Oops.
subscribers. So she gave me an autograph, and she buddied me, so I was happy.
Oh. Okay.
And people kept sending her stuff, and she's like, no, don't send me stuff. Because, yeah, keep your rares, people. I'll probably do worse. I'm just gonna do this face. Like, oh, snap. Yeah, it's my turn. I'm gonna be the swaggiest face person in the world.
Yeah, right.
Like, I choose the swaggiest emojis.
You did better than me, man.
I'm the most swag you will ever meet. And so, yeah, okay, I'm gonna roll the ball.
Okay.
Oh,
What
okay.
Savannah looks like on Skype,
Okay.
yes, but she won't be accepting Skype.
Look, I'm spamming them. Woo!
She will not. I'm not just kidding. She will not accept any Skype requests.
Who are you talking about?
You.
Oh, yeah. I deleted the comment with my Skype. Because that would be weird. Like, a random person Skyping me. Be like, hi, I want to know where you live.
Yeah. And you're definitely not Skyping me, okay? I'm not letting you Skype me.
Why not?
No, I'm meaning you. I'm not meaning you. I'm meaning the other people.
I keep forgetting that there's people. Oh, snap! I win! I have the weirdest name. Sparkle Jelly Moon.
You did better than me, man.
Sparkle Jelly Moon. Oh, do you like my lucky themed den? It's so lucky. So lucky. I even have tea and everything in here. And I also have my owl named Hedwig because I am a Harry Potter fan.
Wait.
Harry Potter is my senpai. Don't judge. Oh, I just realized that your pet matches you.
That was the point of it.
Life makes sense now.
Okay, guys, what am I going to
What's
do? Oh, here you go.
Okay. You want to trade me rare candy cane socks for my rare freedom glove, and I already have those socks. So no. No! No! Now, if you trade me a warn, I would say yes. No, I'm kidding. I don't want a warn from you. Keep your warns, children. Why do I keep saying children to everything? Oh my gosh! Oh my god, that looks so ugly and fuck. Oh my god, that looks so ugly. Okay, you want to trade me rare lay for my rare freedom glove. I don't have that, so I will accept.
Yay!
No, just kidding. Hey, do you want to go underwater?
Don't have a water animal.
Oh. Get one. No, I'm kidding.
Oh my gosh.
Recycle your stupid bunny.
No. Thank you for that freedom, the freedom thing. Look at it. It suits it.
Yeah, okay, whatever. I can get one in July anyways. Well, thank you, America, for providing us freedom outfits. Oh, look at me breakdancing and stuff. I'm like, I'm so hood.
I really don't like this one.
I don't know what I'm doing. Can I show you my favorite look besides my main look?
Okay.
You ready? This is what I like to call the cupcake wearing a spiked collar and a warn. It's the most beautiful thing in the world. Look how awesome it is!
That is so cool.
And it's even better when it dances. I have seven diamonds and I'm saving them for an otter.
No. Do you want to guess how many diamonds I've got?
32?
No.
That's what my friend has, and I'm so jealous.
You're close.
36.
No. It's below.
30.
It's below 32.
30.
No.
31.
No.
29.
No.
28.
Yep.
Oh my gosh!
And you know how I got them?
Daily spin.
Yeah. That's just crazy.
If I get 3 diamonds tomorrow, thank you AJHQ. If I do, I can get an otter. I want an otter. They're so cute.
Okay.
I just dropped something.
So you know, of course most people will know, I can only record for 15 minutes. And it sucks. I really just want to record.
I can only record
the rest
10
of my
minutes.
life. Like for a long time. But so basically,
Oh,
we've
you
got 5
mean we need
minutes,
to
well,
finish
basically
this?
now 4 soon. But thank you guys so much for watching this quick video.
Can I say bye?
Sure, in a minute.
Bye!
Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye!